Welcome to BCSS World of Designs. BCSS was established as a business consultancy, sales and services firm in the year 2015 in the northeastern part of India in the city of Dimapur, the largest city of Nagaland. The main marketing concept of business consultancy, sales and services was backed by the belief putting ideas together can make living easier. In a very short span of time since its establishment, the firm's business was upgraded from a consultancy to a full-fledged building construction company. Its nomenclature was renamed as BCSS Construction and Solutions. BCSS functions with the ideas and expertise of some incredibly skilled and innovative minds under one association. BCSS is powered by a team of dedicated, young and efficient architects, engineers, interior and landscaping designers who are technically and resourcefully supported by renowned brands from across India with international standard accreditations. BCSS provides one-stop turnkey solutions for all kinds of private and commercial building construction services such as architecture, interior and exterior or landscaping designs, sports, amusement and wellness infrastructure installations. And all of these come in a hassle-free one-stop package. BCSS offers the best-in-class quality of services and products at very reasonable rates. BCSS is committed to maximum client priority and less project delays. We at BCSS start thinking when others stop. That is why BCSS stands out, thinking beyond the existing. How are we different? We do brand selection analysis before we recommend a product to our client because we don't just sell, we deliver solutions. We listen and improvise upon your ideas and aspirations as we believe in your desires for your dream home. And how we achieve these goals can be demonstrated by our team's untiring dedication and pursuit of perfection at work. BCSS World of Designs brings to you residential and commercial building designs, play courts, commercial fitness houses, swimming pools, church interiors and audio treatment packages, beauty parlor interiors, showroom interiors, hotels and restaurant interiors, modular kitchens and customized furniture, realistic virtual interior designs, landscaping designs, etc. Build your dream designs now with BCSS Construction and Solutions. Call us at 961-207-0004. Email us at bcss39constructions@gmail.com. Explore more at www.bcss.solutions or www.indiamart.com/bcss-construction-solutions. Thanks for watching.